I guess it's time for the update. Alright, well, I have a radio. I put the headliner back up. I think I might have lost a little bit, but it doesn't matter because I'm happy still. And of course, I went on and put a brace in. And the brace is actually held in with, these things here. And if you look at one of my previous videos, you can see how I did it. And then down here, I got pegs sticking in. Well, pegs sticking out, I should say. And then the box painted black with it's like a leathery type of material on here for the panel, part of the beauty panel. And I'm gonna do another panel up here to cover across the top. Crisscross B-pillar seals. I got yellow on this side, gray on that side. From the 6.5s, we go back here, and we have two Team 15s. And I went on and put lights inside. It's black light all around to light up the baskets. It kind of hits the chrome a little bit, and of course the ReSilient Sounds logo. Down at the bottom, I put a decaf logo. Underneath the car is also black light. It's not blue, it's black light. Under the hood, just a generic battery delete. Something I put together real quick, faster than a hurry. J. Jones, yours is gonna look much better, my friend. No big three, no big nothing. Just 2-watt positive and a 2-watt running negative, going straight to the rear. Got Protect Flex. Everything is tucked inside the car. Back here, 2x4 Madness, and of course the seal, the kill mat. Of course, I used fiberglass. This side I used the little SMD sun flash, but I also used regular Bondo resin. I still got to cut this free. High density spray foam, like the Loctite stuff I was telling you guys about. 2 Taramps, MD8Ks, cranked all the way up, of course. Taramps TS400x4 for my mids and highs. And of course, 240 amp hour Big Veil lithium. One right here has the Big Veil lithium terminals on it. Those are 7-spot. That one is just regular lugs coming off. I'm actually going to add another run of 2-watt on there and run over just to get as much as I can about that battery and shorten them runs. I shouldn't have made that run that long, but it's all good for now. Just for now. I like to tinker. I don't like to just be satisfied with something. And then I actually have a little tray that I built that kind of sits on top of this and has a little shelf and little side shelves, and it's still able to blow cool air down to the fans, to the amps. Even though the amps have fans in them, it's still, confined back here in the trunk. Just keep that in consideration, y'all. Speaking of air, I'm gonna go on and give y'all a quick demonstration of the air conditioner in the back. So we got cool air blowing. I switch it down to I had it set floor and up, but I'm just gonna switch it to the floor just to get full effect. Turn it all the way up. I can actually make it blow even harder if I hit the circulation button, but we'll keep it there. Alright, we're gonna go back here. This fan ain't even on. I want y'all to peek up in here. It's actually blowing cool air. And then I also have a chute right here at the bottom to suck in cold air from underneath the bumper. Like on this side, it has these little flaps. And I actually opened up a flap and got the tube stuck into the flap to suck in cool air. And then when I cut the fan on, it gets real. So the third switch down here cuts my fans on. So I got like a little Infinity War gauntlet thing going on. I need to add 2 more. And of course we got the fan now. Yep. So I call it. Alright guys, it's time for some music. I'm let the windows down. Naturally, that's the best way. Shout out to my boy Syfe. Shout out to Steve Mead. gotta let this song go.
Cocaine is my girlfriend.
Since ain't nobody out here, I can show y'all this. Okay, let's do this. We're gonna turn the camera this way, and we're gonna walk away from the car, right? We're gonna go way over here. I'm over here near the poop station, the little plastic poop box. All right, let's make the alarm go off. Come on. And I'll just tell y'all I got a total of what? 6 horns and 2 sirens. Here we go. I'm pretty happy with everything. I really am. Come on. That's my update. And all, the winner. Man, y'all know who y'all are. Y'all got some stuff coming. Really? Nah, ain't no winners. It's a first place, and that's winning. If you ain't first, you're last. Ricky Bobby, damn it. If you ain't first place, you're last. But with that being said, I'm doing first, second, and third place winner. And because in this world, we can change things up. You know, you can create your own rules. You can create your own whatever. So I got 3 winners in my book. And it ain't first, second, and third. They all first place. Hope y'all enjoy the update. And congratulations to the 3 gentlemen that won. I will be getting in tune with y'all. Peace and bass.